Hi YouTube, Aaron from Azzadous Studios. I'm going to be showing you a bit about modern hip hop and trap percussion. First of all, we're going to start off with a hi-hat. You want quite a snappy hi-hat with a short tail. This sounds much better for, especially when you're doing the rolls that you hear in a lot of trap now. So I'm just going to start by putting a hi-hat on every beat. Yeah, I'll just duplicate that. That's really basic, but we're going to start by adding some extra notes in just to break it up a little bit. You could just duplicate that, but it gives you a much more sort of dance sort of sound. You might use that in a bit of a build up, but not for the main beat. So I like to start with just a normal, a flat 4/4 hi-hat. I'm just going to add notes in. I think what I'm going to do on this one is where the 808 hits, I'm going to add a hi-hat. Got one there. And is that the right one? Nope. There we go. Still sounds fairly basic. We want to get them rolls in. So what I'm going to do first of all is at the midpoint between the midpoint of the phrase, I'm going to get rid of these and I'm going to put a triplet roll in. So right click down to triplet grid, switch that on. And in the triplet grid, all I'm going to do is cover two markers and duplicate that. And as you can see in that beat, we've now got 3 notes covering the beat rather than 4. It gives a nice little roll, not too much. It just brings it nicely into the next little bit. And then on the end, I'm going to switch triplet grid back off. I'm just going to duplicate that for now. Still really basic, but it's coming together. It's quite nice to mix and match. So what I'm going to do before the triplet roll on the end, sorry, not triplet, before the normal roll, I'm going to add a triplet roll before. I'm going to get rid of that and I'm going to do all that but within this last beat. So turn the triplet grid back off and I'm going to have a roll first half of the beat and then a triplet roll on the second half. See what that sounds like. That's nicer. Sounds a lot more glitched, like you hear a lot in trap now. And it sounds like the hi-hat's sort of slowing down. So it hits. Nice quick roll. It just tails off towards the end into a triplet. Makes it sound a lot more, I want to say natural than just computerized, but at the same time does sound glitched and computerized. Just gives it more movement. I'm just going to throw on a bit of the stock reverb and delay that comes on my Ableton once I open it. Sounds quite nice. I'm not going to go too much into reverb and delay today, so I'm just going to leave that as is. This is more about the positioning of notes and how you make the rolls, stuff like that. Now I'm going to move on to the snare now. Again, you want quite a punchy snare, but not too long. It's quite a short tail on it. I'm just going to add a simple snaring. What I'm going to do is add some ghost notes in. So I'm just going to add a note before the snare there and turn it down in the velocity down here, down at the bottom, maybe up a little bit, and where this hi-hat roll is here, I'm gonna mimic that on the snare track. So I want my triplet grid on because that's a triplet roll. Right. I'm going to turn the volume of these down, a bit too powerful. Just want it to back the hi-hat up. Still maybe a bit too loud. I'm going to delete the first one. Just adds a little bit. And then again at the end I'm going to mimic it. Oh, remember to turn triplet grid off on triplet grid. So I want 4 notes there and then back into the triplet grid for those 3. Again, turn the velocity down on these. Quite powerful for what it needs to be. I turn these last 3 up a little bit. Maybe the last one up a tiny bit more, so it builds up. The first 4 down a little bit. Sounding nice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.